This top portion of the page over here is actually a generic div container that I ended up calling top banner over there. I gave it an ID of top banner. Now, while it's just fine as top banner, if we wanted to kind of HTML5 it, if you will, we could use a new HTML5 element called the header element. Very common. It was a very common name for generic div elements to use header, and so common that they actually made a native HTML element. And for this project, it seems, like an appropriate choice. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, once I update, well, here is the code I have for that div container. Just top banner. Well, I need to update this to, instead of it being just div, it's going to be header. And then, of course, I have to terminate it. So once I save that and I give it a refresh, well, guess what? Nothing works anymore, right? But that's normal because my CSS, which is styling it, is targeting that top banner container, and then my JavaScript that's affecting it is also targeting top banner. Now, um, let me go to my style.css, and it's as simple as updating this right here. So anytime I have a top banner declaration, I want to replace it with header. So instead of me doing it manually, I'll use good old find and replace, and I will replace it with the header. So let me save that, and notice, remember, this is a native HTML5 element, so there's no period or hashtag before it. It's just vanilla header. And once I reload it, here we go. I have it styled again the way I want it. Now, of course, the next aspect of this is updating my jQuery, my jQuery selector, so it will select the header. Although I would love to record a video of that, I think there's some actual extra credit involved with making that work, so I can't. But of course, even doing that, it's not going to be any more difficult. You don't change the functionality of your jQuery, you just change what you target it to. So, if you look up over here, you could just replace top header with whatever you have with this selector, sort of like this. And there you go. Once you do that update, you will have the functionality. And here we go. Did a little behind the scenes action and updated it. Easy peasy.